I'm sitting in a 2014 Nissan Sentra. I have a remote key. We're going to be programming a non-remote key, so we got to reprogram both of the keys. I don't need to do anything to the remote. We'll go to Diagnostics, North America, Nissan. Sentra, key coding. We'll go ahead and put our key in, turn it on. 2015, Immobilizer 2, program keys, no key slot. Use a new pin. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, at this point, after the status bar went across the screen, the machine is done doing its work, so we're gonna put it aside. All we have to do is cycle the keys, take the key out, put the key in, next key, watch the 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take it out. Next key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take that out. Put the other key back in. The light should not come on. Turn the hazards off. Vehicle starts. We'll wait till the red light comes back on again for verification. There it is. Next key, turn on. Lights out. Vehicle starts, and you're done.